Hey, riding new shit, rims spinning like a fidget. New chains on, real cold, super frigid. Stupid ass bitch, only gave her 6 digits.
Alicia, hey,
You running ISS today?
yes, I'm supposed to, yeah.
I got Tobias right now. You wanna know what this boy did? Jamila Hall. Here. Forrest Hunt. Here. Tobias Walner. Tobias. Why was he in Whiteface? I don't even know. But he gonna get enough of fucking with me. I know that.
Okay, just send him to Mr. Halford because he loves him.
Somebody needs to come get him. I can't do it, Van. I'm not going to jail today.
Bring Mr. Halford down and he will walk him to ISS, okay? Girl, I gotta go.
He gonna get enough. Why?
Well, here's the wrong number. You like some broke headphones, only one side work. Right side, left side, she make both sides twerk. Pregnant boy, left brain, but you know